Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Jeff the Tech Blazer coming at you today with my Galaxy Watch 3 unboxing. This one's a 45mm one in Mystic Black. I haven't used a Galaxy Watch or any real kind of Android watch in a long time. I've just been using the Apple Watch, or I had a Fitbit. I had a whole bunch of different Fitbits before I changed to the Apple Watch. But yeah, I can't wait to crack this one open and check it out. Typical packaging for a smartwatch nowadays, I think, but it looks pretty nice. Let's get this guy open. All right. So this thing, I got the Wi-Fi version. Oh, that is beautiful right there. Looks quite a bit different than the Apple Watch. This is the Series 5 Apple Watch right here. I'm actually excited to go back to a circular kind of style watch face. It's got that nice leather band to it. Might have to pick up a different band, like a silicone band, for tracking workouts, just because I don't really want to mess this one up. This looks beautiful. Let's get it out of the box. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. That's pretty large too. We'll put it next to the Apple Watch. Maybe they're about the same size. Not sure. The circular body maybe makes it look a little bit bigger. All right. Got some paperwork in here. Let's check that out. Get the Apple Watch out of there. All right. Some paperwork. A little bit more. Oh, all right. So, charging cable. All right, not bad. Watch is just gonna sit right on there. Take that off. It's nice, it matches everything with the black. I think you can also get this one in Mystic Bronze and maybe a Mystic White. There is a smaller version of this. I have the 45mm, but there is a smaller one. I think it's 41mm, but I like the bigger watch face on it. So, nice little charging cable. And typical paperwork, how you're going to charge the battery, everything like that. Oh yeah. This is beautiful looking. Premium genuine leather. I would hope so. I think this one starts at $429, so I would hope it'd be nice. But you can also trade in, I believe, other smartwatches and things like that on the Samsung website, so you can knock the price down a little bit on here. Alright, so we got a little bit better of an angle here. I got the watch all set up. I've had it on for about a day. Just wanted to just kind of show this leather band a little bit more. It is a very nice leather band. It's a little stiff, but I've only had it for about a day, so nothing can be done about that. But it'll wear over time and it'll get a little bit looser. But I do plan on getting a silicone strap of some sort, just so I don't have to worry about wrecking the nice leather when I use this for a workout. But I do have it set up. We have the battery over here, daily activity over here, heart rate, which it takes about every 10 minutes provided you're sitting still, step count over there. This is just one of the watch faces you can get. I'll show you the rotating bezel right here. So that's my activity so far. keep it going. There's some recent apps, some workouts, the weather, all that stuff. So far, I can say it does have, or it seems to have better battery life than my Apple Watch Series 5. It's a little bit thicker, but I mean, just it crams a lot of technology in there, so that's okay. And it looks great. I did get the larger 45 millimeter one, but I think it looks absolutely beautiful, and the rotating bezel is definitely nice. It feels nice. Definitely feels premium, but I look forward to testing this one out and saying goodbye to the Apple Watch for a little while. It's nice to have something new, especially where this is a circular one. It looks more like a typical watch, but I'm actually pretty excited about this one. I just wanted to show you it all set up and what going through some of the menu. Oh, there you go. First time to reach 6,000 steps because it's my first day with it. But yeah, just wanted to show all of that to you guys with it all set up. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 starts at $399. There's a 41mm edition and a 45mm edition. It comes in Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black, and Mystic White. The display can be 1.2 inches or 1.4. It has 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, a battery capacity of 247 milliamp hours or 340 milliamp hours, depending on which size you get. It's IP68 rated. It also comes in Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular. That's been my quick unboxing and setup of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. I'll be back with an actual review after I've had a little bit more time with it. If you like this one, please like, share, and subscribe. This has been Jeff the Tech Blazer, and I'll see you in the next one.